for this one. So again, just line it up, pull away. Centre I always do last, purely to make sure everything's running concentric. So again, any questions you have, just ask. Then I'll answer them as they come up on the screen. So if I go to the top camera now, you'll see that that will be the foot. So we've got the outside diameter of the foot marked off now. So we just need to remove this material. Now I'll say primarily this tonight is about a push cut to get the best surface, but I'll just show you a pull cut. So again, flutes face about 10 o'clock, just pull away. Again, you can just bring the handle round to create your radius. So that is a basic pull cut, which predominantly can be very, very quick at removing material. So just go bring that to a stupid fraction there. So, but we're good to do a push cut now. So again, I'll leave it on the overhead camera so you can see. Now, I need to get the handle right way back because if I don't, it can dig in. Once you get used to it, you don't need to go so far back. But if I go right back, it's on the bevel, then I can just bring the handle round into a cut. Just move my handle and then shimmies escape and push it round. And off. So again, don't put any pressure onto the surface of the wood. Don't push the gouge against the wood because that will cause bounce. So again, we'll just stop the label and you can have a quick look at that. Again, that's end grain and you'll see that is perfectly smooth. That part there will cause it to blunt the tool slightly quicker. It's a harder piece of wood, that, so it can cause slight bluntness. But again, just line up with the direction I want to go, push through and pull the handle round, back, and just pull round. Again, turning is all about technique rather than anything else. Right, I'll just move one of my screens slightly. I just want to see what somebody's just put. Yes, when I'm doing a push cut to the centre, I notice keep my flutes fairly closed. Yes, I don't have them very open because that can be a fairly aggressive cut. I have them rolled over about 45 degrees. So when I'm going inwards, that would be about 45 degrees, 2 o'clock,